You can see I'm about to hang up all these Halloween pictures, and these are like the best tacks. Usually you'd have to, you know, drill a screw and stuff like that, and most tacks aren't going to be strong enough to hold these pictures, and they're just kind of awkward whenever you're trying to hang them. But these tacks right here are the best for hanging these types of pictures with this little thing right here on the back. It's going to leave a little lip right there, which is going to allow that little sliver of metal to get in behind the tack. So and since it's so big, you know, it doesn't hurt your thumb whenever you're going in. So I'm just going to put it in there real quick, just like that. See, I'm going to start with this big one here. Just open that up like that. And there you go. Get the picture hung. It's not going to go anywhere because it's kind of behind that little lip. Real quick, real easy. That's those tacks. I'm Jace. I'll see you next time.